All right, here's our final walkthrough video. That corner, little thing we did extra for them, but otherwise, here's the wall on the inside. You can see how thick we got the shotcrete up over all those beams that we put in. Everything's all cleaned up. Turned out really, really good. Super thick, all the way down through. We wrapped the corner a little bit there, but there it is. There it is. I'll show you the outside. Looks way better now.
The end of the drain is right underneath that rock. It's right underneath that rock.
Okay. You see the walls all fixed up. We got a nice little French drain coming all the way down here.